Hello guys, in this video I will compare OPNsense and OpenWRT, two of the most powerful open source router operating system, and I will help you to decide which fits your network best. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, their ease of installation. OPNsense uses a full installer ISO with a graphical interface, making it more beginner friendly. On the other hand, OpenWRT is lightweight, but it requires more technical knowledge, especially if flashing routers manually. OPNsense wins on installation simplicity. Number 2, user interface. OPNsense has a full-featured GUI with charts, firewall rules, plugins, and traffic analysis, while OpenWRT has a simpler interface, but it requires CLI or LUCI for advanced controls. OPNsense feels more polished, but OpenWRT is lighter and faster. Number 3, feature and performance. OpenWRT excels in performance on lower-end hardwares and supports extensive Wi-Fi tweaking. On the other hand, OPNsense is packed with enterprise-grade firewall features, VPNs, IDS or IPS, and ZFS snapshots. It is more of a firewall appliances OS than a basic router. Number 4, customizability and community. OpenWRT has a massive community, lots of supported devices and modular packages, while OPNsense also has strong community support and plugin options, but it's more heavier than usually runs on x86 hardware. OpenWRT is best for DIY users and OPNsense is for small business and power users. So for final verdict, if you're looking for a professional firewall-focused router OS, you can choose OPNsense. But if you want performance and flexibility for custom routers or Wi-Fi tinkering, OpenWRT is best for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.